How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Let's get started. If you are looking to mirror your iPhone screen to a TV, computer, or any other external display, you are in the right place. Launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Head over to this option, AirPlay and Handoff, open it. Now here you'll find this option, Automatically AirPlay. Open this option, set it to Automatic or Ask. If you choose Ask, your iPhone will prompt you whenever it detects an external screen to mirror to. If you choose Automatic, it will start mirroring without asking. For more control, I recommend setting it to Ask. Now that you have set up your Play, now it's time to use it. For that, open your Control Center. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Look for the icon with two rectangles overlapping. That's the screen mirroring button. Tap on it. A list of available devices that can accept screen mirroring will pop up. Simply tap on the device you want to mirror your screen to, and you are done. Your iPhone's display will appear on the external screen in no time, and that's it. It's super easy to mirror your iPhone to another screen using your Play. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.